Get your presents. Get your presents. That's a good girl. Well, get your presents. Where's that from? That's from Daddy. From Katie to Daddy. You get that present. You get that present. What did Daddy get you? What did Daddy get you? What did he get?
Let her do it. The time that she actually gets allowed to.
Oh. Daddy got you a Kong. He did. That's a good girl.
Really need some psychological help there.
Babe, I mean, Katie, gotta get another one. Get the other one. Put that one aside. Get this one.
Hey, you have to
Okay. Enough with that one. Get this one. Get this one. Get this one. Katie, get this present. Get this present. Get this present. Katie.